Hello everyone. In recent years, wild pigs have become one of the biggest challenges for farmers as they relentlessly invade and destroy croplands across the country. But don't worry. American farmers have devised a bold and highly effective strategy to tackle this growing threat. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting journey into the skies, where farmers are using helicopters to hunt wild pigs with precision and professionalism. Are you ready to dive into this unique and thrilling adventure? Join us as we explore the fascinating world of wild pig hunting by helicopter and experience firsthand how farmers are protecting their lands. Agriculture is a vital sector of the U.S. economy, contributing nearly one of the country's GDP, but it faces a growing threat from invasive feral pigs. Southern and southeastern states like Texas, Florida, and California have been hit particularly hard, with wild pigs causing millions of dollars in crop damage each year. These states are at the forefront of the battle against these destructive animals, and innovative strategies, like helicopter hunting, are helping farmers defend their livelihoods. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the impact of these efforts and their importance to the future of U.S. agriculture. The damage caused by feral pigs to the U.S. agricultural industry is staggering, with estimates reaching as high as $7.05 billion annually. This figure includes not only crop destruction, but also widespread soil erosion and harm to other wildlife, further destabilizing ecosystems. Traditional methods like trapping or hunting with rifles have proven insufficient in controlling these fast-breeding pests. As their populations continue to grow, the need for more innovative and large-scale solutions has become urgent, which is why strategies like helicopter hunting have gained traction. These more advanced approaches aim to reduce the impact on agriculture and wildlife, offering hope for a more sustainable future. Feral pigs are agile, highly productive, and capable of thriving in harsh environments, making them a serious threat to agriculture. To tackle this challenge, American farmers have turned to more effective solutions, with one of the most innovative being hunting wild pigs from helicopters. This method enables large-scale population control, as helicopters provide a broad field of vision and can cover vast areas quickly, with a range of up to 50 miles and an average speed of 120 miles per hour. Helicopters allow hunters to efficiently observe and track wild pigs, even in the most remote and difficult terrains. This aerial approach has become a game changer in the fight to protect farmland from these destructive animals. According to 2023 USDA statistics, over 200,000 wild boars were hunted in states like Texas, Florida, and California. Helicopter hunting plays a crucial role in this, but it's not just about flying and shooting. Each hunt requires careful planning, with teams mapping target areas, tracking pig movements, and coordinating flight paths for maximum efficiency and safety. Pilots and hunters work in sync, navigating the terrain with precision. This coordination makes helicopter hunting a highly effective and strategic approach to protecting agricultural lands from the growing feral pig threat. to ensure maximum efficiency and safety. Wild boar hunting in the United States takes place year-round, though it's most commonly concentrated in the cooler fall and winter months, depending on the state. During these peak seasons, hunters use powerful semi-automatic rifles like the .36 Springfield or the .300 Winchester Magnum, which are designed to bring down wild boars swiftly. For a quick and humane kill, hunters typically aim for the head or neck, the most effective areas for taking down these tough animals. The ideal shooting range is between 100 and 300 feet, close enough for precision, but still a safe distance to protect the hunter. This combination of skilled marksmanship and strategic planning makes wild boar hunting by helicopter both efficient and necessary in managing the growing feral pig population. Additionally, the noise from the helicopter, which can reach up to 105 dB, and the exhaust emissions can negatively affect the surrounding environment. The loud engine disrupts the lives of other wildlife, while noise pollution and CO2 emissions contribute to environmental harm. This raises important questions about sustainability. Which hunting method do you think is more effective and eco-friendly? If you have a better solution, we'd love to hear it. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you. The United States is currently facing the growing threat of approximately 12,000 invasive hyenas, with each pack typically consisting of 5 to 20 members. These predators have caused severe challenges for farmers, particularly through their relentless attacks on livestock, leading to substantial financial losses. Reports indicate that in areas where hyena packs are active, livestock losses have increased by nearly 30% over the past year. So how exactly has the United States responded to the increasing hyena problem, and what measures are being taken to protect our farmlands? Join us as we explore these pressing issues, and if you're a hunting enthusiast, be sure to subscribe to our channel for exclusive content and thrilling experiences. Farmers in the United States suffer the loss of approximately 18,000 livestock annually due to hyena attacks, resulting in damages exceeding $14 million. With a powerful bite force of up to 1,100 pounds, hyenas primarily target sheep, goats, and young cattle, which are most vulnerable to their predatory instincts. The states most severely impacted by these attacks include Texas, California, and Florida, where the agricultural economy is heavily reliant on livestock farming. The financial strain caused by hyenas not only affects individual farmers, but also disrupts the broader agricultural economy in these regions, leading to increased costs and reduced productivity. So what effective methods are being employed to control hyena populations in the United States, and how successful have they been? Hunting hyenas with rifles is a method widely employed across the United States, especially in regions where media coverage emphasizes the significant threat these predators pose to livestock and local communities. Hunters often rely on high-caliber rifles, such as the .308 Winchester or .36 Springfield, known for their stopping power and accuracy, making them suitable for taking down these resilient animals. Government-sponsored hunting organizations are commonly found in states like Texas, California, and Florida, where hyena populations are most problematic. To join these hunts, hunters must obtain a specialized license, typically costing between $250 and $350. Applications for these licenses can be submitted online through state wildlife agency websites or directly at local government offices.
Okay, Sean. I'm gonna hit him again.
To maximize the success rate, hunters usually target hyenas during the late fall and winter months when these animals are more active and easier to track. Night hunting is particularly effective, with groups of 4 to 6 hunters working together to increase their chances of success. Each member of the group plays a crucial role, from the shooter and spotter to the tracker and safety officer. This coordinated effort results in approximately 75% of hunts ending in a successful capture, which significantly helps reduce hyena attacks on livestock and mitigate their impact on the agricultural economy. So how does the hunting process take place? When a hunter spots a hyena, he must approach with caution, typically using night vision goggles and remaining at least 250 yards away to avoid detection. The hunter usually employs a high-powered scope, such as a 4/16-50 mm, to ensure the most accurate shot, aiming for vital areas like the heart or lungs to ensure a swift and humane kill. After each successful hunt, the hunter typically harvests between 4 and 6 hyenas and is required to report the results to the overseeing hunting organization, including details such as the precise location and the number of animals taken. So do you agree with this method of controlling hyena populations? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. With an estimated number of around 40,000 individuals, making it one of the largest hippo populations in Africa. However, in recent years, the rise in forest fires has increasingly driven hippos out of their natural habitats and closer to human settlements, leading to dangerous encounters as they search for food and water. So what impact have hippos had on the lives of people in this area? Let's find out together, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get our latest updates.
Look at the hippo walking in the street, guys.
On August 12, 2024, in Lusaka, a man was walking along a quiet road when he was suddenly and violently attacked by a hippo that had wandered into the area.
Hey, come on. Hey.
An ambulance arrived swiftly, and the man was rushed to the nearest hospital where emergency treatment was administered. After several hours of surgery and critical care, he was incredibly fortunate to survive the ordeal, though he faces a long road to recovery. The incident sent shockwaves through the community, leaving the people of Zambia deeply concerned about the growing presence of wild animals in urban areas and the increasing threat to human safety. To effectively manage the challenges posed by hippos, the Zambian government has established comprehensive hunting policies aimed at managing the impact of hippos on communities while ensuring sustainable wildlife conservation. Annually, around 250 to 300 hunting permits for hippos are issued, a measure designed to control the population and minimize human-wildlife conflicts. These permits are typically valid during the dry season, from May to November when water levels are lower. This strategic timing allows hunters to access hippo habitats more easily, reducing the risk associated with hunting these large and often dangerous animals. So what special skills and tools do hunters need for challenging hippo hunts? In particular, hunters in Zambia predominantly rely on high-caliber rifles, such as the 375 AFT Magnum or the 458 Winchester Magnum, which are specifically chosen for their ability to penetrate a hippo's thick skin and large body mass. The use of these powerful firearms is crucial for ensuring a quick and humane kill, which is a priority in regulated hunts. So what alternative methods could hunters consider using to hunt hippos aside from rifles? Although less common, some experienced hunters may opt to use bows, typically requiring a draw weight of at least 80 pounds with specialized broadhead arrows. This choice demands a high level of skill and is generally reserved for those with significant experience in big game hunting.
Distance. Hey, man, distance.
In addition to their weapons, hunters are equipped with advanced tools like high-powered binoculars, rangefinders, and GPS devices, which are essential for tracking and locating hippos in their often dense and waterlogged habitats. So how many people do you think hunters typically team up with when hunting in Zambia? Additionally, hunting in Zambia is usually conducted in groups of 3 to 5 people, a practice that offers significant advantages in terms of safety and efficiency. Group hunting allows for better coordination and the ability to cover more ground, which is especially important when dealing with an animal as large and potentially aggressive as a hippo.
Hippo on land, that's very nice.
Each member of the group typically assumes a specific role, such as spotting, shooting, or tracking, which enhances the overall effectiveness of the hunt. When hunters spot a hippo, they carefully assess several factors, including the distance to the animal, its size, and its behavior. Typically, hunters aim to engage the hippo at a distance of 30 to 50 yards, close enough to ensure accuracy but far enough to maintain safety. The preferred target areas are vital organs, such as the heart or lungs, which ensures a quick and humane kill. If the hippo is in water, hunters must wait for the animal to surface and present a clear shot, which requires patience and precise timing. So what must hunters do after a successful hippo hunt in Zambia? After successfully hunting a hippo, Zambian law mandates that hunters report the kill to the nearest wildlife authority within 24 hours. The report must include details such as the exact location of the hunt, the number of hippos killed, and the condition of the animal. This information is crucial for the government, as it allows for continuous monitoring of hippo populations and the impact of hunting on conservation efforts. However, to legally hunt hippos in Zambia, a hunter must obtain a specific hunting license, often referred to as a big game or hippo hunting license. This license is essential to ensure that the hunt complies with Zambian regulations, which are designed to protect both the hunter and the wildlife population. The license can be obtained through the Zambian Department of National Parks and Wildlife or through licensed hunting outfitters who facilitate the process. The cost of a hippo hunting license typically ranges between $1,500 and $2,000 depending on the region and the specific regulations in place. This fee not only covers the right to hunt, but also contributes to conservation efforts and the management of wildlife resources in Zambia. What are your thoughts on this approach? We'd love to hear your perspective, so please share your views in the comment section below.
Kilograms. It appears.
Ready to dive into the fascinating world of mountain goats in the United States. These remarkable animals, renowned for their incredible agility on steep and rugged terrain, are truly a marvel of nature. In this video, we'll explore the impressive mountain goat population, currently estimated at 2.55 million, and their distribution across various states and regions. Don't forget to leave a comment with the number 1 to show your excitement. Mountain goats in America exhibit distinct physical characteristics that are adapted to their rugged mountainous habitats. Their weight typically ranges from 100 to 300 pounds, with males generally being larger than females. Factors such as age, diet, and seasonal conditions can affect their weight. In terms of size, mountain goats usually stand about 3.5 feet at the shoulder and measure around 5 to 6 feet in length. Sexual dimorphism is evident, with males being larger and more robust compared to females. Their horns, which are a prominent feature, are black, slender, and curved slightly backward. Both males and females possess horns, but the horns of males tend to be thicker and longer. Horn growth patterns can provide insights into the age and health of the goat, with annual growth rings visible on the horns. These characteristics not only help mountain goats survive in their challenging environments, but also distinguish them as unique members of the North American wildlife community. Mountain goats in the United States thrive in some of the most rugged and scenic mountain ranges, including the Rocky Mountains, Cascade Mountains, and Sierra Nevada. In the Rocky Mountains, they inhabit specific regions, typically at high altitudes, often above the tree line, where they navigate steep and rocky terrain with ease. The Cascade Mountains offer a diverse range of habitat characteristics and climate conditions, from dense forests to alpine meadows, providing mountain goats with varied foraging opportunities and seasonal movement patterns. The Sierra Nevada presents unique environmental factors, such as varying temperatures and precipitation levels, requiring mountain goats to develop specialized adaptation strategies to survive and thrive. These varied habitats underscore the mountain goat's remarkable ability to adapt to some of the harshest environments in the United States. So, hunting mountain goats in the United States presents numerous challenges due to the animal's typical habitats. These environments are not only difficult to navigate, but also require significant physical endurance and expertise from hunters. Before embarking on a mountain goat hunting expedition in the United States, it is crucial to choose the right gun tailored for this specific type of hunting. Mountain goats are large and resilient animals, often found in challenging terrains. So selecting a firearm that provides both power and accuracy is essential. High-caliber rifles with good long-range capabilities are commonly recommended to ensure a clean and humane kill. Hunters should also consider the weight and durability of the gun, as they will need to carry it across rugged landscapes. Additionally, using a scope with reliable magnification can greatly enhance accuracy, especially when targeting goats at a distance. Obtaining a state-issued hunting license is a mandatory step before hunting mountain goats. Each state has its own set of regulations and requirements, which can include passing a hunter education course, applying for specific permits, and sometimes entering a lottery system due to limited tags. The process ensures that hunters are adequately prepared and that mountain goat populations are managed sustainably. It's important to research and complete all necessary paperwork well in advance of the hunting season to avoid any last-minute complications. Hunting mountain goats with guns offers significant advantages, particularly in terms of flexibility and humane harvesting. The ability to hunt in various types of terrain is crucial when pursuing mountain goats, which inhabit rugged in often inaccessible areas such as the Rocky Mountains, Cascade Mountains, and Sierra Nevada. Using firearms allows hunters to maintain a safe distance while navigating these challenging landscapes, ensuring they can adapt to the unpredictable and steep terrain. Additionally, hunting with guns enables effective and humane harvesting, as a well-placed shot can ensure a quick and ethical kill, minimizing the animal's suffering. This approach not only respects the wildlife, but also aligns with conservation principles, ensuring the sustainable management of mountain goat populations. Hunting mountain goats with guns, while effective, presents notable disadvantages, particularly regarding safety and environmental impact. The primary safety concern stems from the challenging terrain these animals inhabit. Hunters must navigate steep, rocky, and often unstable landscapes, increasing the risk of falls and accidents. Additionally, the remote locations make emergency assistance difficult to access, compounding the dangers. From an environmental perspective, hunting practices can disrupt local ecosystems. The presence of hunters and the noise from firearms can disturb wildlife, potentially altering animal behaviors and habitats. Moreover, improper hunting practices may lead to overharvesting, threatening mountain goat populations and the ecological balance. Therefore, it is crucial for hunters to adhere to safety protocols and conservation guidelines to mitigate these risks. Do you agree with this method? If yes, type 1. If not, share your thoughts in the comments section and keep watching the video.